Hello! Do you want to improve the way you factor trinomials? Do you want to know what is the best method for you? So, in the following days, I'm going to show you many ways to factor trinomials. You can send me more if you found. But the main idea is to show you many ways to factor trinomials in such a way that you choose the best for you. So let's start. We're going to use this trinomial, 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Okay, so the method we're going to apply today is using factor by grouping. So when you apply factor by grouping, you need 4 terms. So the main idea of this method is to find 4 terms, and this is the way to do it. So find A times C A times C times C and two numbers whose product is A times C A times C. Let me move me. And whose sum is B. Okay, you're asking which one is A, which one is B, which one is C. I have no idea. Okay, so A is the first term that multiplies x squared, 3. B is the second term that multiplies x, and C is the constant. Okay, C for states from constant. So A times C, 3 times negative 5, 15. Very good. Now find two numbers whose product is A times C, whose product is 15, and whose sum is B. In this case, it's easy to know which are the numbers, of course, because you need that whose sum is negative 2 and whose multiplication is 15. 3 times negative 5 is 15, and negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So we found numbers. The numbers are negative 5 and 3. Okay, so when we find the numbers, we need to rewrite to do the factoring by grouping. So rewrite the polynomial in 4 terms. So I'm going to rewrite the polynomial. 3x squared minus, so I have plus 3x minus 5x minus 5. As you can see here, I just change negative 2x for plus 3x minus 5x. So negative 5x plus 3x, negative 2. So now factor by grouping. Factor by grouping. When we factor by grouping, we choose the first two terms and find the GCF. GCF of these terms is 3x. So here we have x, 3x times x, 3x squared, plus, and here we have 1. Okay, 3x times 1, 3x, minus 5, GCF of the second term, x plus 1. Okay, negative 5 times x, negative 5x, negative 5 times 1, so negative 5. And we can apply the factor by grouping. So the common factor is x plus 1 and 3x minus 5. So we did the factor by grouping. So answer answer. The answer, 3x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals x plus 1, 3x minus 5. You can check if it's correct or right by doing the multiplication using FOIL to check. Okay, and this is the first way to factor trinomials. This is the method that I know that it's, for me, the easiest one because includes factor by grouping, but we're going to explore more methods in other minutes with factoring. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and I hope that you increase your ability to factor trinomials. Goodbye.